Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can fix your Facebook login error on your iPhone. So the first thing might be the issue with your login credential. So if you simply open your Facebook, and in here you can see there are the requirement of your mobile number or email and your password. So make sure the credential that you are entering is correct. So even if it's correct and it's not working, then another issue might be with your internet. So make sure that your internet is stable. Either you are using your cellular data or Wi-Fi, make sure that both of them are stable. The another thing might be your password not being correct. So you can try to simply tap on forgot password and try to reset your password and see if that works. So even after all of these things, if it's still not working, then you might want to try to check for an update. So you can go back and open your app store. From here, you can search for Facebook. After searching for Facebook, here you can see this is the application. Tap on it. You will get the update option right here if there are any kind of update requirement. So all you have to do is tap on update, and within few minutes, your Facebook will be up to date, and then you can go back and try to log into your account and see if that's working or not. So even after all that, if it's still not working, then final thing that you can do is try to offload the application. So get to the settings of your phone, and from your settings, tap on general and then tap on iPhone storage. After doing that, here you'll have to scroll down and find Facebook. Tap on show all option right here and search for Facebook. You can see Facebook right here. Tap on it and then tap on offload app. Tap on offload app one more time, and within few minutes, here you can see our Facebook has been offloaded. So tap on reinstall app and reinstall this application on your phone. So within few minutes, your Facebook will successfully be reinstalled on your app. Then you can go to the Facebook and try to log in and see if it's working or not. So even after all of that, if it's still not working, then finally you can simply try to restart your phone and see if it's working or not. That is the final step that you can do. And yeah, that is it. These were some few steps that you can try to fix your Facebook login error. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.